Who doesn't want to get into a prestigious B school? Especially when the B schools are opening the doors to welcome you. Yes, I'm talking about the latest GMAT Focus Edition. As you all know, there have been significant changes in the current pattern of the GMAT. And let's discuss how they can majorly benefit the students. The GMAT has become more focused, detailed, flexible, and efficient. The biggest change is the timing, from 3 hours 7 minutes to 2 hours 15 minutes. This reduction in the test duration is the greatest blessing for the GMAT aspirant because a longer duration gets more exhausting and affects the mental capacity of the student to solve a question efficiently. So by the end of the test, they may underperform due to fatigue. That's why a shorter duration helps build more focus and strategy. The next change is in the number of sections and questions, which makes the test more efficient. So now the number of sections will reduce from 4 to 3. Like earlier, students would have quant reasoning with 31 questions, verbal ability with 36 questions, integrated reasoning with 12 questions, and analytical writing assessment with just 1 question, making it a total of 80 questions. And all these sections would be timed differently. However, the GMAT Focus Edition will just have 21 questions in the QR, 23 questions in the VR, and just 20 questions in the Data Insights, which is a new section. So all this makes it a total of 64 questions. And all these sections will be timed 45 minutes each. This equal time distribution helps the students strategize more efficiently without getting distracted with the different timing of each GMAT section. So the next change is in the terms of flexibility. So unlike earlier, students will now be able to choose the order of the different GMAT sections. And they can bookmark or review as many questions as they like, edit up to 3 responses each section. So this aces the flexibility to perform better in each section. Score scale. An amazing thing is that students will now get a unified score as opposed to 3 different scores earlier, which used to be very difficult and complex. This is also a good chance for B schools to make a quick and good decision for the candidate. So, what's removed? As we see, one of the most dreaded sections, the AWA, has been removed. The sentence correction from the VR has also been removed, and in place of the integrated reasoning, we will now have data insights. So this is actually a very good opportunity for students who are weaker in these areas to now pick up their performance. The last and the most exciting change is the availability of the enhanced score report, which students used to purchase for an extra cost earlier. But this will now be inclusive of their GMAT fee. With the easier availability of the ESR report, students will now have a better chance at analyzing their performance, looking into their strengths and weaknesses, which will help them take a better decision regarding the retaking of the test if they have scored low. So now you know all the changes and how they will be beneficial for you for your faster B school admission and performance in the GMAT exam. The GMAT Focus Edition starts from October-December this year, and the registration for the same starts from 29th August. So if you're planning to take the GMAT, then get all the help, latest study material, and training from 15+ years of experienced mentors at EduNirvana. Call us today to enroll now in the latest GMAT batch at EduNirvana, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and comment to enjoy more such content.